Welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things beauty and hair care. In today's video, we're delving into the world of argan oil, a natural elixir celebrated for its incredible benefits. Join us as we discover the wonders of this liquid gold. What is argan oil? Firstly, let's understand what argan oil is. Argan oil is a precious oil extracted from the nuts of the argan tree, native to Morocco. Often referred to as liquid gold, it boasts remarkable benefits for both your hair and skin. Benefits for hair. Argan oil is a game changer for your hair, thanks to its rich nutrient profile. Hydration. Argan oil is an excellent moisturizer, deeply hydrating your hair strands. Frizz control. It tames unruly frizz, leaving your hair smooth and manageable. Shine enhancement. Argan oil imparts a natural, healthy shine to your locks. Strength and protection. It strengthens hair, reducing breakage and protecting against environmental damage. How to use argan oil for hair. To reap the benefits, apply a few drops of argan oil to your palm, then gently massage it into damp or dry hair, focusing on the ends. You can use it as a leave-in conditioner or as a pre-wash treatment for deeper nourishment. Benefits for skin. Argan oil isn't just for hair, it's a skincare superhero too. Moisturization. It hydrates and softens skin, making it great for dry and sensitive skin types. Anti-aging. Argan oil is rich in antioxidants, which combat signs of aging. Acne control. Surprisingly, it can also help control acne and reduce scarring. Nail and cuticle care. It strengthens nails and moisturizes cuticles. How to use argan oil for skin. Simply apply a few drops to clean, dry skin and massage it in. It's a versatile addition to your skincare routine. Argan oil is indeed a beauty essential, offering numerous benefits for both hair and skin. So, why wait? Incorporate this liquid gold into your beauty regimen and unlock its remarkable potential. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks.